Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, that is 0xC03F6603. So if you are receiving this error code when you try to download any games or application from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to make sure that the date and time is correct. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click, then click on adjust date and time, and make sure that set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on. If this is off, go ahead and turn this on, and then you can go ahead and try to download the game or application. The next step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see your profile icon. Click on it, select your account, then click on sign out, then again click on the profile icon and then click on sign in, then select your account, click on continue, and then enter the PIN or password, and then try to download the games or application once again. Now still you're facing the problem, then go ahead and update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, then click on the settings icon, go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to use the store. The next step is to update store app. For that, open store. On the top right here you can see the three dots, click on it, then click on download and updates, then click on get update, and once this is done, try to use store. The next step is to run Windows Store troubleshooter. For that, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, scroll down, and here you can see Windows Store apps. Click on run the troubleshooter, and once this is done, restart your computer and try to use the store. The next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So copy this, go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search, then make a right click on wsreset and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. And here you will see black screen window. Do not close this window. Wait till this black screen goes away. Once this is gone, Microsoft Store will open up once again, and then you can go ahead and use store. Now here you can see black screen is gone and Microsoft Store is open now. You can go ahead and use store. Still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and reset store app. To reset store app, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then go to apps and find store in the list. So go ahead and type in store in search box, and then here you can see Microsoft Store. Click on it, then click on advanced option and then scroll down. And here you can see the reset option. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So you might have to log in once again. So click on reset. Now after the reset, restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the restart, you can go ahead and open store, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. But still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and clear the local cache folder. For that, go ahead and copy this percentage local app data percentage. Go ahead and copy this, and you can paste it in the Windows search box, and then go to this location and go to packages, find packages folder over here. So here you can see packages. So open the packages folder, and then you have to go ahead and find Microsoft Windows Store and these characters over here in the list over here. So scroll down. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some character. It is same as this. Open this folder, and then open local cache folder, and go ahead and delete everything which you find over here. So delete everything in the local cache folder. Make a right click, then click on delete, and then after you delete it, you go ahead and try to use store once again. You can go ahead and open store, and you can start using the store. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and restart Microsoft install services and Windows services. So Windows update service. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search, then make a right click on services, then click on run as administrator, then find Microsoft install services, Microsoft Store install services. So here you can see Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click on it. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then if the start is highlighted, click on start. If it's not highlighted, you can leave it. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Then make a right click on Microsoft Store install service once again, and then click on restart. and do the same thing with Windows Update. So find Windows Update in the list. So here scroll down, and here you can see Windows Update. So make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then click on Start if highlighted. Then click on Apply, OK, and then make a right click on the Windows Update and then click on Restart. And after that you can go ahead and try to use Store. Now still you're facing the problem, then go ahead and re-register Store. For that you can go ahead and copy this command. All the commands are provided in the video description. So copy this and then go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes to allow, and paste this command on the PowerShell window and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard. Now once this is done, you go ahead and run the second command and then hit the Enter key, and then go ahead and restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and open Store, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Store. To uninstall, copy this command, open PowerShell once again. So go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes to allow, and then paste the command which is provided in the video description to uninstall Store. So paste it, copy this, and then paste it on the PowerShell window, and then hit the Enter key. Now here you can see the Microsoft Store will be gone once I hit Enter. So the Microsoft Store is gone right now. Now after this, restart your computer. So go to the Start menu, then restart your computer, and then after the restart, run this command which will go ahead and reinstall Store. So go ahead and type in PowerShell once again, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes to allow, and then paste the command on the PowerShell window, and this will go ahead and reinstall Store on your computer. So go ahead and type in Store. It might take few seconds to come up. So yeah, so it's running now. This will go ahead and reinstall Store, and then you can go ahead and use Store. That should go ahead and fix the problem. Still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and run these two commands in PowerShell window. So go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes to allow, and then run the first command, that is sfc scan, paste it on the PowerShell window, and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard, and this will go ahead and start the scan. Once the scan is 100%, do not close this, let this be 100%. Once this scan is 100%, then you can go ahead and run the second command in PowerShell window, and then make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes, and then run the second command. Run the second command, and once this scan is 100%, after this go ahead and restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So let this 100%, after that you can go ahead and restart your computer. And the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So copy this and you can paste it in the Windows search box. So inetcpl.cpl, and then open inetcpl.cpl, then go to the Advanced tab, scroll down, and if TLS 1.2 is unchecked, go ahead and check it. Make sure TLS 1.2 is checked, and then click on Apply, OK, and then you can use Store. And if nothing is working, then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using Media Creation tool. So you can go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description, and it will take you to the Microsoft website where you can go ahead and download the Media Creation tool. So click on Download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file, and this will open Microsoft Media Creation tool on your computer. Now agree to the terms, so click on Accept. Then by default, upgrade this PC now will be selected. Make sure this is selected, then click on Next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. This process will take time, but do not worry about the data loss, because before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep your personal files and app will be checked. Now once this is checked, You will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and after this, once the installation is done, you can go ahead and log into your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So one of the steps should get rid of this error, and you should be able to download your games or application without any issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.